Good morning, guys. I just finished doing my iris tour and I wanted to show you my hair down before I put my sunscreen on. Last night, I shampooed my hair with the Pantene Illuminating Biotin shampoo and I used the conditioner on my ends. And all the Pantene slander that goes on, I mean, this is what my hair looks like after using that shampoo. I've just been so happy with that one, the strawberry one that I got at Costco. Check out my recent review of some drugstore shampoos and conditioners. It has biotin in it, which doesn't really do anything to necessarily change your hair, but it may have like a sort of temporary thickening and lifting effect. And I do feel like my hair has a little bit more lift. My hair has gotten really long. I'm just gonna put it up so I can put my sunscreen on. I'm gonna do the little cinnamon bun. This morning I'm coming in with the Round Labs Birch Juice sunscreen. Several vlogs ago, I shared with you guys, I purchased this collapsible little TV table to do like crafts and stuff. You saw me using it yesterday to paint my nails, and I have just been loving it. Like, I love setting it up here. So it collapses if you have limited space, but you want a little workspace as needed. This is great. It's really sturdy too. I, of course, just keep random little trinkets here that I like to have out. This little thing was a gift. I don't know if you can see it. Isn't it cool? It's like a little plastic test tube, but it's got this little reading girl on a stack of books. I don't know where this came from. It was a gift. But I just set it in this piece of pottery. Comes from Norfolk, England. Holcomb pottery, handmade. So it sits in there, and yeah. All right, I'm just wearing this little blue dress that I got a while back from Amazon with a little shell on over it. So I'm all ready to go. These chairs are so comfortable. 3D chocolate bunny. It's kind of neat. This always looks like it tastes good. You can also get the lingonberry concentrate. Oh, these are good. Crisp breads. These I think are so cute. The mousse pasta. There's this elderflower drink concentrate. These are good. All right, I'm coming to check out Rocket Fizz. They have a lot of retro candies and interesting sodas. They used to have one by the old apartment where I used to live, but it closed. Oh, I love Pez dispensers. The candy is very underwhelming, but the novelty of the dispenser and collecting them. Planet Gummy. Oh, these were really popular on TikTok. I learned my lesson last weekend though with those as seen on TikTok candy bubbles. I'm not falling for that again. If you missed last weekend's vlog, that was a huge disappointment. Oh my gosh, buffalo wing soda. I'm curious. I have strawberry shortcake ranch dressing, sweet corn, cookie dough, birthday cake, enchilada. Ooh, peanut butter and jelly soda. I'm sure that's good. Ooh, sarsaparilla. Dr. Brown's. They always had those in New York. They were pretty good. Barbie Party Punch. SpongeBob Bikini Bottom Cooler. Oh, Circus Peanuts. Comment below and if you like these. I know they're a very polarizing candy, but I actually love them. I like Mary Jane's too. What is this? Doomsday Lemonade? Taste the Apocalypse? Okay. Ah. Fidel Castro, Havana Banana. I'm sorry, that made me laugh. Horchata. I bet that's tasty. Carrot cake. Mowed grass. Ay Dios. Stalinade. The real red soda. Sorry, it's making me laugh. Oh, this was like a precursor to the candy bubbles. These Crybaby Sour Mini, the wax. The wax candy. Yeah, this was always a disappointment. Mustard soda?
Hello.
Oh, Mighty Mouse. Memory unlocked. Blue cream. You can get them cold too. Have more flavors. Green apple soda. Ooh, Texas peach sounds pretty good. Garlic pickle. It's like a big gummy lollipop. They have green apple, mango, tropical. I seem to remember this from another life. Dinosaur eggs. They have cotton candy. Ranch flavored cotton candy. Pickle cotton candy. I think we saw these at the airport together one time. Dr. Pepper cotton candy. These are chips. Cucumber flavored chips. I'm always tempted to buy these little poppin' cooking kits. Has anyone done these? Are they fun? As fun as they look, or are they kind of messy? Cream soda popping candy chocolate bar. Wow. Oh, I thought they stopped making these. More freeze-dried candy. We saw this brand last weekend at the toy store. Freeze-dried cookie bombs. More drinks down there. And you can get the candy pieces individually. Ooh, this looks good. Black taffy. Pickle flavored taffy. What is with it? Everything being pickle? I like pickle, but a little bit goes a long way. Swiss cake roll taffy. Yeah, they have a lot of flavors. Neapolitan, pumpkin pie taffy, chili pepper, plum, margarita, s'mores, coconut. There's more of the cucumber soda down there. Here we go with these wax drink things that are a disappoint. Oh, look, it's a cinema roll hat. I love him. There's a candy that I get on Amazon that is vegan and it tastes just like this. It's the brand is Oomph. They're really good. Taste the same. Or very similar at least. Here at Chef Kenny's. This place is so good. It is a vegan restaurant and vegan sushi bento that I came to for the first time back in September, and I've been wanting to come back ever since. What did I tell you guys last weekend? Always check the website before you come. Did I do it? No. Unfortunately, Chef Kenny is currently closed at this location. Do they have another? That makes me so sad. Surely they have another location somewhere else. Bummer. But that being said, I followed them on Instagram and I didn't make the connection that this site was not operational. I'm here at Old Faithful, Govinda's, since Chef Kenny's sadly is closed, and I checked their Instagram again when I got in the car and they're still posting. They even said, come and join us today, and people are commenting like, but you're closed, what's going on? So I don't know. Now, I don't know why, but the guy behind the buffet asked me to get another plate. I'm not sure why. I just did what he told me, but I got the biryani, zucchini, baked vegetables, and then this is split pea soup. This is the spinach tofu and sweet and sour tofu. Y'all, I feel like I was just ghosted by Chef Kenny. I love Chef Kenny's. I've only been there once, and I've been dying to go back. I went there back in September 2023 for the first time. I've heard so many good things about this restaurant. It did not disappoint, and they have such an amazing, extensive menu. It's like when you go there, you are almost overwhelmed because everything looks so good, and you're like, oh my gosh, I want to order everything. So when you leave, you're like, I must come back because there are like 17 other things that I need to try out. So, of course, I was so excited to go back. I did check their Instagram page briefly before going there, just, you know, feel it out, see what was anything being hyped up on the menu, you know, get excited. There are posts there, so why would I think they were closed? Well, I thought to myself, maybe I didn't look carefully enough and, you know, whatever, right? So I just got off their Instagram page, and they need to contact their social media management company or whoever is managing their Instagram, because they have clearly posts that are just scheduled and captions that are pre-written, scheduled, because that's how social media often works for businesses, is they have somebody managing it. It's not like the restaurant chef or whatever is posting shots on Instagram all day. At least in the vast majority of cases, they have people who manage their social media. Do something with the scheduled post, because it makes it seem like, come on down today, we're having a special. That is literally kind of the tone of the most recent post, which went up today. And when I checked this morning, I didn't bother to read the comments. Mistake. If you go to the comments of their posts, people who are equally as confused as I am going, what is going on? Your restaurant is closed. So all that to say, Chef Kenny's is amazing. I am devastated that they are shut down. I hope it is not a permanent thing, which I fear it is, because honestly, this city is tough as nails for restaurants, because it's very competitive here. That is what Houston is like. One of the main things they're known for, that and rocket ships. This is an eating city, and it's like very, very cutthroat competition here. And they've been there for a long time. I believe they have another restaurant, I want to say in California maybe, or Las Vegas. I've heard, but I don't know. I honestly think maybe some of it has to do with that location, because it is a bit remote. Maybe it had something to do with the rent, the lease. I mean, there is so much drama with restaurants behind the scenes that we as customers don't ever see. Like, let me tell you, there is some spicy drama in the restaurant scene here. I say as if I know, but I'm just like going off of like local news kind of reportings. Like there are certain restaurants, and if you live here, maybe you know what I'm talking about. Like where there's got to be something. So the restaurant is just a front for something else going on. I'm convinced, because there's just one restaurant. I'm not going to name it. I'm not talking about Chef Kenny's. Chef Kenny's is like a golden child. There's this one restaurant in particular here, which I don't go to because they don't have anything vegan. But it is super popular. I mean, there is always a line out the door. It does not matter if it is 10 a.m. on a Tuesday. There's a line out the door. There is a line out the door. But man, this restaurant has so much drama. It needs to be a show. It needs to be a show, a book, a movie, something, because I think they just create drama to drum up publicity for their restaurant. I've heard the food is amazing, but there's so much drama, not just with the restaurant itself, but like the neighborhood around the restaurant finds the restaurant annoying because of the lines and like the smells coming from. I mean, it's all. Drop a comment below if you live here, if you know which restaurant I'm talking about. You can't deny that there is something going on with this place, because there's always some drama with it. Like a fire mysteriously breaks out and you're like, what? But all that to say, Govinda's did not disappoint tonight. Not mad I ended up at Govinda's, because man, they delivered. I've never had a bad meal there. But all I have to say, I had a great time. I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. I hope you guys are having a great weekend and you enjoyed coming along. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.